Hey guys, it's Skai Jackson here with Harper's Bazaar, and I am going to be showing you guys my night routine. So the first thing I'm going to be using is One Size their Go Off Makeup Dissolve Mist. This is not sponsored or anything, but this is literally the best makeup dissolver I've ever used. It literally takes your makeup off with one swipe. So I just shake it up and I spray it on my face. And I like to put a lot on, as you can see, and it's very oily. And I'm gonna take my rag that I have and just watch how it takes my makeup off. Literally one swipe. I was always looking for something that would get my makeup off fast and quick because I feel like the wipes never worked for me. The wipes were just like, okay, but you gotta keep using wipes and keep using wipes and then you run out and have to get more. No, this is literally perfect. Next step I'm going to be using is St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. I don't use it often. I usually use it once or maybe 3 times a month to really clean my skin good if I feel like I've been wearing a lot of makeup. And I'm going to take a little bit on my hand, like a dab, not that much. And I'm just gonna place it on my skin. And some people say this is not good for your skin. I've been using this for years, and honestly, it works for me. Not everything works for everyone. And I'm just gonna scrub good. Make sure all the dead skin is coming off. I don't use it that often, but when I do, it makes my skin feel so good. It makes me feel like I really got everything together and out because I've been wearing a lot of makeup lately. I don't like it. Literally, I'm not the type of person, I do not like wearing makeup, or I'll only wear it like on the weekends if I go out. But for the most part, I just like to let my skin breathe. So this is how I get all of it off. I just lightly take it off to make sure all the residue is off my face. I also clean my edges because, you know, I put product in them at the end of the day. And I also wear my headband so that the product doesn't get in my hair. I don't want to have messy hair or wet hair. Now, next step, I'm going to be taking some facial toner, Witch Hazel by, I think it's Thayer's. Focus. That is what it looks like. I'm going to take this, and this really just cleans the skin. It tones it and really gets everything off. So even though you did wash your face, you scrubbed it, sometimes there's leftover dirt or leftover makeup, and this for me really just makes sure it gets off fully. This is the last step. So I'm gonna be using Nani Glow. It's a face oil by Cora Organics by the amazing Miranda Kerr. I love her. But this face oil works really good for me. I somewhat have combination skin. A lot of the times my skin is really dry, but if I have makeup on, it can get pretty oily. It's literally a cute little dropper, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna drop some. So I do 2 of my cheeks and 1 on my forehead. And I'm just gonna nicely get that into my skin. So I usually drag it down to my neck. A lot of people think that you need to use these expensive, like $100 skin creams. They might work for some people, they don't work for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my little night routine and what I do before I go to bed. And thank you so much, Harper's Bazaar, for having me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of theirs. Love you guys.